Yo, what's up guys? Brody here, and today we are taking a look at my first Fnatic product, the MiniStreak Keyboard. This is their newer version of the original Streak keyboard, but the MiniStreak is a TKL keyboard layout. Also, Fnatic did send this out to me for review. I am not being paid or sponsored, but like always, I will be 100% real with you guys. But a big shout out to Fnatic on sending this out to me. You guys are awesome. The MiniStreak keyboard is a $109 keyboard and was designed with eSport pros taking in their feedback to create the best quality products. So if you are a serious gamer, you know you are getting a great product. What you get inside the box is the MiniStreak keyboard, removable palm rest, detachable USB Type-C cable, quick user guide, and a couple of Fnatic stickers. The removable palm rest is nice, made out of PU leather, rounded edges, full metal build underneath, and can be adjusted in 3 different positions, and it's easy to slap onto the keyboard or remove. USB Type-C cable is nice to see because there are a lot of companies out there like Razer or Logitech that are still using a micro USB cable on some of their newer products. Underneath the keyboard, you have the USB-C port to plug in the cable into, and then an indentation to feed the cord through, keeping the cable in place. We have 4 rubber feet, which I think they did a great job at because they are long, 2 are vertical, and the other 2 are horizontal. This helps keep the keyboard in place, and seriously, this thing does not move when playing at all. Also, we have 2 kickstands if you want to angle the keyboard more. On the back side of the keyboard, you have this dope magnetic Fnatic plate that can be removed. What I heard is that they might come out where you can customize this plate to put whatever you want on it, which would be really cool. The MiniStreak keyboard right out of the box felt nice and felt like it was built really well. The top plate is made out of anodized metal, making it strong and barely any flex to it at all. The top plate has this dark teal color to it, which I think is unique and just different. Pretty nice with the dark keycaps. The keyboard weighs about 703 grams. This is a 10 keyless layout, which is pretty popular these days with gamers, and also this thing is thin, 28 millimeters at the thinnest point. Since this is a TKL keyboard, you're limited on keys. The top function row has alternate functions. You can fully enable the alternate function keys by pressing the lock function button between the escape key and the F1 button. F1 through F4 are reserved for macros, F5 and F6 are lighting controls, F7 and F8 are volume controls, F9 is your desktop selection, and F10 through F12 are your multimedia controls. There are 3 other buttons at the top right of the keyboard. First one controls your mic mute, middle button is the Fnatic symbol, is your competition mode, and then the sound mute button. The competition mode is neat. This turns off all unnecessary features like RGB and other features, and focuses the keyboard on the essentials like WASD, crouching, etc. Stuff you would use when competing. To use this, you would use the OP software and select the keys that you do not want activated. The keycaps are ABS, and this is where I think they should have invested in more. They feel like they are budget keycaps, really smooth, and I know they will probably shine down the road. If your hands are greasy from eating something, yeah, it will show the grease for sure. But you can go ahead and swap these out and install your own custom keycaps, which a lot of gamers do these days. RGB is nice, pretty bright, not too bad. Have 5 brightness levels, 8 lighting modes, the typical stuff like wave, pulse, ripple, rain, and so on. You can customize even more if you install the Fnatic OP software, where you can make certain keys, certain colors, etc., making it fit to the style you want on your desk. The keyboard does come with Cherry MX switches, and you can choose from red, blue, and brown. I went with my favorite, the Cherry MX brown, and they sound and feel so nice. Let's drop a sound test. All right, wrapping up here, I've been using this keyboard for about a week, and when I first took it out of the box, I was impressed by the quality of the keyboard. Strong with the anodized metal, good amount of RGB, the customization that you can do. The competition mode is, really neat feature. Being able to choose from blue, red, or brown MX cherry switches is always a plus in my book. USB Type-C cable, and also you cannot forget that touch of Fnatic. The magnetic plate is really cool and it's just different. I see what you did there, guys. GG's. Only thing that I want them to change is just the keycaps to invest into a better type or something like that. They just feel like they are on the budget side. Now again, they are getting feedback from the pros. The pros won't care about the shine. They only care about making sure it performs, which it does. But us gamers who are not pros like seeing good keycaps, but again, we could always switch these out with something else to our liking. So if you're looking for a great TKL keyboard, I really suggest you to check out the Fnatic MiniStreak Keyboard. If you like full-size keyboards, then check out their full-size, keyboard, the Streak, which I will leave a link down below in the description. Again, thank you so much to Fnatic on sending this out to me. You guys are awesome. If you guys have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section. I'll do my best on getting back to you. Again, my name is Brody. Make sure to do all those little YouTube buttons down below. I will catch you guys on the next video. See ya.